Hadingga friendsong sengtini nailai hai sini GRS exam ni bagai sini GK ni friendsong current affair of India notuine sengtini nailai sini oboseng target rujak 300 ta sini current affair GK फाइने कम से कम no minimum 10 ta फाइने friendsong इंगे sengtini first series senglai first series seng aseng nailai motamoti kom na nailai इंगे friendsong sini target seng nailai 300 ta seng serengke kom se kom no ajago seng 10 ta jese ko mana ni target amti ke seng mas senglai इंगे फाइदिना de sini first ini tamo sini first tongo ek number friendsong which state launch Jal Amrutha scheme bo state Jal Amrutha scheme hone launch khaikya right answer Karnataka friendsong Karnataka right answer mujuna rakde 2 number Yuba Shabiman Yojana hone launch in the state of Yuba Shabiman Yojana hone launch khaikya inge right answer 2 number Madhya Pradesh omongkha right answer sini next tongo 3 number in which state Yuvasri Arpan scheme was launched bo state ro Yuvasri Arpan scheme hunai launch khaikya right answer engka 1 number West Bengal friendsong mujunarak de sinsa number Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme came up in the state of bojaga came khaijaka ba kojaka amongkha right answer 3 number on the Pradesh right answer sini next tongo 5 number friendsong nadi in which state Hirkani Maharashtra initiative was launched bo state tarmane our Maharashtra ini sijak omongkha right answer Maharashtra friendsong omongko ekta scheme je launch rakhay mane mission Indradhanush launch recently is associated with tamnotui nai bokhakya right answer 2 number immunization right answer friendsong immunization right answer arpore sine next number 7 in which state smart initiate was launched smart initiate omongkha 3 option Maharashtra right answer friendsong o jagani bisingono फाइने जों 300 जेसेबां टारगेट फ्रेंड्सong सोंलायनानै सिनि current affair of India नि जों 10 ता जेसेबां फाइनानै साखानांना आं सिनि नेक्स्ट 8 नम्बर दंगो कालिया सत्र ब्रुटी स्कॉलरशिप scheme was launched in the state of bo state of scheme no launch khalakya right answer engka 1 number Odisha right number right answer sini next tongo 9 number tam saka in which among the following state notun disha initiate was launched notun disha bojaga right answer engke 4 number option Tripura sini next tongo nadi next tongo 10 number Khushi scheme launched in Odisha is associated with tamnotui ko Urishawo ko khusi scheme tiklajaka angka free sanitary napkins. Free sanitary napkins. Right answer 2 number. After 11 number. 11 number friends song Article 370 of Indian Constitution deals with which state of India? Bo state no deal khaja tongmani. Okay, Jammu Kashmir. Right answer. 1 number. Right answer. Name the bill which passed for abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu Kashmir. Bill 370 no abrogation khairaka. Abrogation mane bondo ba rot no ba kaswirika ba nori kibuka a je 370 a ko bill ni bu mungta moni sungo jago. Right answer 3 number. Jammu Kashmir reorganization. Friends reorganization amongka. Right answer. 13 number tongosine Article 370 is defined under which part of Indian Constitution? Indian Constitution ni bo part of 370 article khobjak ngkai. Right answer 4 number part 21 of. Friends song najite bo sine 14 number which article was revoked from Jammu and Kashmir? Jammu and Kashmir bo article revoke kaijaka ba naje. Right answer 2 number Article 370 and 35A amongka revoke kaijaka Jammu Kashmir. Sini next tongo 15 number name the minister who announced abrogation of Article 370 in Parliament. Friends song je 370 darano je abrogation khairika rod khalairika Parliament o saklairika bo minister ni saw. Right answer ngke 3 number Amit Shah ba Amit Shah. Nika obno bufuru launch rod khaijaka ba abrogation khaijaka ngka ong kaisa muchundar difference 5 August 2019 apro abrogation khaijamon ong ngka amongka sine 15 ta sini tini first series जों next sote sakabang nailai friends song komsi kom 40-50 ta nani जों next series o sini जों jesikapano 30 August ni bisingo जों cover khaina nangnai ngka sini match botong ko friends song जों ko percentage jora thanglai ko ngka norok takon ansel sabkre khaja sabro khade norok jidino video sajak like khade friends song ngka friends song angno thanan sekang kaisa question renai sini Tripura Rajyo tabungni ketal Rajyapal ni bumung tamo friends omo nor comment khadi ngai asungno friends kuno net o search khayoi ner bungni bu khawo tamo mujutong abun naino noro o answer no saimang angke eko comment khadi friends ngai 3 baga asungno friends hai hai next one alane tai jotono hambai.